Hi guys, I'm Vagisha and I'm at this lovely property called Koti Resorts close to Shimla, and I'm going to show you my entire trip, so just keep watching. After a very warm traditional Himachali welcome at the Koti Resorts, we are now at the restaurant to enjoy a nice lunch out there on the deck. So guys, a lot of you have been worried about where to travel, how to travel ever since traveling is possible again after the lockdown. And I would like to tell you that Koti Resorts is one place where traveling is safe. As you can see, they've issued guest advisories. Wearing a mask is mandatory. I've just taken it off to shoot my video. And they have sanitizers all around the property placed at a very close quarters, and the social distancing is being followed. The entire staff is constantly wearing masks, and all the rooms are very properly cleaned and sanitized at regular intervals, which is why at this place, Koti Resorts, the safety of your family and your travel is ensured, which is why I chose this place as my holiday destination. One thing that I really liked about Koti Resorts are these vast sit-out areas. They have huge lawns, and they have these huge two different levels of sit-out areas where you can sit down with your family or your friends, and you can enjoy the outdoors, you can enjoy the views, you can enjoy the food. You could just sit down and soak in the views, soak in the pleasant weather, and you will seriously have a great time. Now guys, we are headed to Naldera for some fun and adventure. Naldera is famous for horse riding, and if you are fond of this activity, I would definitely suggest that you go ahead and do it. This entire trip lasted for around 40 to 45 minutes, and the cost is 500 rupees. And while I am definitely against animal cruelty, there are hundreds of people who make their livelihood only through this activity in Naldera, which is why we decided to go ahead and do this activity. I remember an interesting conversation that happened during this ride. I asked the guy guiding my horse that ये horses क्या खाते हैं, and he responded by saying ये तो जी हमें खिलाते हैं, meaning that these horses, these animals are the source of livelihood for so many families. After a memorable horse riding experience, we are back at the resort, and let's see what this night has in store for us. It's really cold here in Koti Resorts, and I have some great plans for tonight. There is dinner, there's barbecue, there is a bonfire, and Koti Resorts have made all arrangements to make this night very, very enjoyable. Come on!
Oh, 1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above me. Night breezes seem to whisper.
Here is another reason to visit this property. While the chefs here are very good at making continental, North Indian and South Indian food, they are also exceptionally trained to make traditional Himachali cuisine, and this thali was a definite winner. Mornings are always beautiful in the hills, and more so here with this spectacular view behind me. And now it's time to have a great breakfast.
Ocean blue, I came home for you. Cut my hair in the dress that you wear. Don't you?
This property has such amazing spots to hang out, so many deck areas where you could have your meals, so many lawns where you can spend your mornings and evenings, and they also have a bar and lounge area which has an inbuilt fireplace which makes the whole place so cozy. Great place to hang out in the mornings, evenings with your family or your friends. Come, let me show you.
Darling, don't you wait for me. Tonight I won't be coming home for tea. Darling, don't you wait for me. Tonight I won't be coming home for tea.
There's also a pool table for all you pool lovers. There are many different kinds of rooms available at Koti Resorts. I will show you two of the best ones, and you can pick any one as per your budget, as per your liking. While Koti Resorts have ample of space outdoors like lawns and the open deck areas for any kind of gatherings, meetings and functions, they also have this massive indoor hall for any kind of conferences or short functions, small functions that you would like to do here. The staff at Koti Resorts is simply awesome, and they arranged for us this very amazing picnic at a spot called the Kiar Koti picnic site. Vacation more than just staying in your room and having a dinner or a lunch at the restaurant. Because as you can see, Koti Resorts team have arranged this amazing outdoor lunch for us, besides a small rivulet, and they are preparing the food right outside using a barbecue. There is a bonfire in the background, there is great food that is being made, and this is an experience that you must not miss. After that scrumptious lunch, it's time to take a quick stall on the Shimla Mall Road and then head back to the resort for another lovely night, and then we check out tomorrow morning.
कैसे भला छूटेंगे कभी याद है मुझको तूने कहा था तुमसे नहीं
Thank you for watching my video, guys. I'm now checking out of Koti Resorts. It has been a very enjoyable and a very pleasant stay here. I would suggest that you guys can also plan a trip here with your friends or your family. All safety precautions are taken care of. All protocols are being followed. Have a good time and enjoy yourself. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye and take care.